What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Solana, which has pumped up about 12% in the last 24 hours. However, even over the last couple of weeks it has been performing very well guys. So if we zoom out to the 7 days chart, 20%, over the month 55%, and as you guys can see, since about October time, mid-October, it's gone from $16 all the way up to $87 right now. So can it potentially hit $100 by the end of the year, so over the next week or so? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at its prediction in 2024. Is this a crypto to be holding on to? How high can it go? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. And also on the bright side, as you guys can see on the right side of the screen, Bitcoin has pumped up once again to about $44,000 right now. So yes, the crypto market is up today, and yeah, Solana is at a critical point right now, nearly hitting the resistance target here on the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be going through later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, let's hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solana, which is here in purple at $72. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at over $87, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Solana over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially hovering around its SMA indicator is what I'm expecting. So around $86, above $86 is what I'm expecting. So as you guys can see, the drop is going to be very minimal, but that does not mean that it's not going to pump up any higher. It is likely to hit $90 over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around $86, $87 towards the end of the day today. So do expect it to keep pumping over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down. So this is over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? At this point, we are not looking well. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is again expected over the coming week. However, after doing some analysis and technical predictions, I am expecting Solana to have gone for an overall increase in value over the next week or so. So by mid next week, Solana should be trading around $93 to $94 is what I'm expecting. But again, in between that time, it is likely to hit both green and red days up and down. But again, the overall outcome at this point, it seems to be more on the positive side, heading to just under $95 by mid next week is what I'm expecting from Solana over the next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we've got both the blue and the orange now looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So guys, at this point, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Solana. So around February 2024, the crypto should be heading over the $100 mark is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is I am also expecting the crypto market, including Bitcoin, to be heading upwards, and Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to hit $45,000 in January, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Solana as well. And Solana should essentially be heading over the $100 mark in around January to February 2024 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, it could be way higher than that depending on how the crypto market performs. But if you guys want to keep updated on a regular basis on Solana, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we did break out from the red zone here back in November, mid-November, headed into the green zone, and right now we are getting very close to the resistance target here to head into the dark green zone, which is $90.24, which we are very close to at the moment. And yes, I'm expecting it to break out from this zone here over the coming week. We should be heading into the dark green zone and potentially heading over the $100 mark by early 2024, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. And essentially by mid next year, guys, we should be heading in the top tier level here, which we haven't hit since early 2022. So for about 2 years now, we haven't been heading over the $140 mark. So I'm expecting it to hit that by Q2 of 2024, of course depending on how the crypto market performs, but next year should be a green and positive year for the crypto market, unlike 2023. So yeah, this is my take on Solana, guys. So let's head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 90% in the last 24 hours, making it $4.4 billion in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, guys. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. We're seeing a lot more people investing into the crypto as well as selling it, seeing their profits and taking out their money. But again, it is getting a lot of attention right now due to the fact that, let's have a look, as I showed you earlier on in the video, it has consistently been gaining value. Of course, it has its dips here and there in between, but overall it has clearly been pumping upwards towards a positive direction. And Solana is a sustainable project, unlike these other meme coins. So Solana, in my opinion, I'm expecting it to hit around $200 by the end of 2024. That is the peak that it would hit. Personally, I believe that would happen, but if that does change, then of course I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, this is my prediction. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting Solana to go in 2024? What is the highest figure it can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.